No one likes to take orders. Principle 4, ask questions instead of giving direct orders. We can build others' confidence and help them to learn swiftly from their faults if we provide ideas rather than instructions. Asking questions makes individuals feel like they are a part of the decision-making process, which increases buy-in and can promote innovation. And innovation yields new ideas and better solutions. Instead of stating, "Do this or don't do that," we could say, "You may think about this, or do you think that would work?" This strategy makes it simple to remedy mistakes. We recall harsh directives and being shouted at, even if they were done to fix a mistake. However, if we ask questions that allow individuals to remedy their own mistakes, we save their pride and offer them a sense of importance. It promotes collaboration rather than revolt. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.